Hello, my name is Paula Jean, and I did my presentation on two books. The first being Spot Goes to the Beach, and the second one, How to Turn a Caterpillar into a Butterfly. Spot Goes to the Beach is a story about Spot, who is a dog who goes to the beach and he sees different things. This story was good for my students who are ELL because it introduces them to vocabulary words. We will read the story as a class, and after reading the story, prior to reading the story, we'll pull out vocabulary words and discuss about the vocabulary words. We will also create sentences from after we read the story. We'll develop sentences as a class that you see here, and practice reading those sentences to one another. And the end result would be that we would develop a book, a class book, and each student will be able to read a sentence and also have a picture to go along with it. The second book that I chose is Turning a Caterpillar into a Butterfly, which talks about the life cycles. We focus on, just like the last one, standards such as organization, knowing the correct way to write a sentence and read a sentence. And we also focus on details and comprehension. So after this, we'll read a story. We'll pull out vocabulary words, talk about a caterpillar. Here's a picture of the different vocabulary words that we'll use in the class. After pulling out the vocabulary words, and we'll do this one definitely as a whole class because it's just nonfiction, which may be a little bit more difficult for the students. But after pulling the vocabulary words out, and after reading the story, we'll fill in this graphic organizer of the different steps of the life cycle. So students will work on this. So these are my two activities and my two books that I will use for all my students, but definitely my ELL.